Happy Monday evening, everyone. Dr. Campbell here. Hey, I just wanted to leave a quick video on a particular assignment that I saw that you guys, first of all, a student had emailed me about this, and then I went back and looked, and it seems that of all the assignments you guys have done so far, and I can't believe I actually missed it in the first place, but this is the only one that collectively you guys did not do well on. So I'm so glad that this student emailed me so I can go over that. I also just want to say quickly that you have about a little over a week and a half. This class ends next Friday, and that is when your second essay is due. And I will also be posting your next class around probably, yeah, that Saturday. And then that class starts on Monday, and then I will send out a screencast talking about that. But okay, so the student, so this was, let me go back here. This was Megan. Thank you so much for emailing me, Megan. But basically, this was the Chapter 9 Who Participates assignment. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the first question, because once you get the gist of the first question, you can look and see the other questions or go back and see if you care. But so essentially the question is, which age group is the most overrepresented in the electorate? And then I'm assuming that many people might have answered something like 45 to 64, so let's take a look. So if you look here, and like Megan answered, so who is, let's look at the verbiage again of the question. Okay, which age group is most overrepresented? So age group, if you look down here and you say age group, you're like, oh, okay, well, we have 34% here, that's the highest, 39% there, that's the highest. Yes, this is the answer. Now, what that doesn't take into account is the question actually asked which age group is most overrepresented. So if we look back here, we see that 22% of the population make up 18 to 29, the ages. 25% of the population make up ages 30 to 44. And then 45 to 64, 34%, and then over age 65, 19%. So if you look here, we have a 7% difference here. We have a more than a 10% difference here. Then we have a 3% difference, a 5% difference. Unless you look at overrepresented, so if they're overrepresented, it means that they have to have more percentage in the electorate than in the population. So here, the only group, so this would be also like, so 9%. There's a 9% difference here between how many are in the population versus electorate. But so that would be underrepresented. So if they have 22% of the population, they should have at least 22% in the electorate. You see how this works? So the correct answer would in fact be 65 plus, because although they only have 19% in the population, they are overrepresented because they make up 26% of the electorate. So I hope that cleared a couple things up. Again, we have this week is more of the same, and then you have the essay due at the end of the next week, and then I will send a screencast wrapping up some remarks I have on this class that I'm going to save, and then on the Gov't 202 that we'll be going into. Please let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.